Alright, so I was messing with the inverse time. Shout out to Steve. I'm gonna say Steve B because I can't remember your last name. But in the Fardriver group on Facebook, man, this guy was talking about the inverse time setting. I think it's right below PID. But man, everything is set to stock at 36, and so it doesn't matter, auto tune basically, or the auto programming basically sets it up for 36. So in order to get that to launch a little bit faster or something like that, like I'm in mode 2 and I definitely feel like it's a lot more peppy, and I actually turned the controller down, so I'm only at 300 line amps, 850 phase, but yeah, this is looking like it might be giving me a lot more pepper. A lot more pepper. Okay, so let's do a screen record on the grass page. So we can see what's actually happening, because a lot of people are having this. Let me go mode 1. A lot of people are having an issue with not being able to get phase amps to actually ramp up when they're demanding throttle. So mode 1 looks like that joint just straight shot up. We're gonna try mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3 and see how that works. So hopefully I can go ahead and overlay the screen recording with the recording from outside. So we're in mode 1. Can definitely, for it be at 300 amps and it still move like this in mode 1, that's pretty impressive. Oh yeah. Alright, that was mode 1. Break it down a little bit. Jump into mode 2. Okay. Not bad. Mode 2. Let's hit mode. Stay in mode 2 for now. Let's go ahead and thread this needle real quick. And now I'm gonna jump it in at 3 and see how we look and feel. Straight out the line. Straight out the line. Let's see how we feel. Oh yeah, it definitely sent more phase. Definitely. Woo! Alright. Yeah, it's a lot more peppery in mode 3. It's a whole lot more pepper. Okay. I'll be excited to see what those graphs is actually reading like on the current and phase.